I can see it. Thank you.
Okay, very well. Let's go ahead. So I didn't start the recording on time, so I'm going to start over because I would want everybody to be able to replay this video after the class, and so you can always bounce back, ask questions when necessary and all. Okay, so I don't know how many of you that missed the onboarding sessions. I know we had a bit of a network problem, but then it was is still there on YouTube, and I believe you could go rewatch them. All right, we explained the class modality and how this program is going to run. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to run you through the course outline. So week one, we are going to be understanding data. All right. Now, I know some of you might think data analytics is really complex. You get to do with statistics and all, you get to do some kind of programming. Yes, there is a part of data analysis that you get to do with Python and all, but we are going to make data analytics interesting in this program. Okay, so we'll start by understanding data, and it will amaze you when we finish this. And the tool we are going to be using is Power BI. I will be getting you into that. You are going to learn data cleaning, D3. We get to visualization where you build beautiful dashboard, visualization dashboard. Okay, so let's start with what we have today. Okay, so I don't know. I think I can go over to say my name again and explain the foundation because I started my recording late. So my name is Trust God Ewuziem, and I can see so many people are still joining. Now, my name is Trust God Ewuziem, and I'll be your instructor for data analytics in this cohort. All right. I would be having a pair, but she's going to come in from next week. Okay, so to get you grounded with the basis, and she'll take it up from there. Now, this is Bourdillon Omijeh Foundation, BOF, pioneered by Professor Bourdillon Omijeh, a renowned prof in the University of Port Harcourt with global impact. And you can see about the pioneer on the website and every details you need to know, because so many, yeah, I know so many don't know the person behind this movement. And when we started, some persons were
Please
asking whether
mute your mic.
this is legit. Yes, it's legit. Yes, mute your mic so you can hear me, people. Yes, and I am glad you're here tonight as we kick off. Okay, so let's talk about data. Please, I would make this class very interactive, and I want you to flow with me. Okay? Yes. So if I may ask, what is data? Hey, what is data? What do you know as data? So I need you to drop it in the comment box. Whatever you feel you know is data, drop it in the comment box. I'm looking at it right now. Yes, or you can unmute and talk to me quickly. Raise up your hand. I'll give you permission. Okay, somebody is raising hand. Iyala. Go ahead, open your mic and talk to me.
Can I talk?
And data has to do with raw information that is being gathered together.
Okay. Beautiful. You're not wrong. Okay, somebody says raw fats. Somebody's saying unprocessed fats. Somebody's saying unprocessed information. Okay. Okay. Somebody's saying data is an unprocessed information. Okay. 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 All your suggestions are good. You are not outside the box anyway. But data is not as complex as you think. Yes. Yes, data is everywhere around you. Okay, your phone screen time, your monthly expenses, how many times you open TikTok, how many times you eat rice in a week, all of those things are data. Are you with me? If you're following the class, give a thumbs up. If you have a question, raise up your hand, and you can as well communicate with me in the comment box. Okay, so um, I just want somebody, in one sentence, just tell me interesting data point about yourself. Can be anything. I've just told you how many times you eat rice in a week. Is that simple? Yes. Okay, Peter, go ahead. In one sentence, please. Go ahead, Peter. You raise up your hand. Any other person?
My mother, my name is Charles.
Okay,
I don't
Charles.
know if I can
Charles, go ahead.
go. Yes, my monthly expenses.
Okay. Wow.
My monthly
that
expenses
that can be a very
for
high
yes, my
profile
monthly
data. I
expenses.
hope EFCC will not come for you. Okay, go ahead if you want to still share that. Go ahead.
Okay, let's reduce it. My file data, my file expense.
Okay. I mean, just tell me, I mean, be simple. Tell me, like, what did you do today? That's what I mean in one sentence.
Okay, I is referring to.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Okay, I went to the office, came back.
Okay.
You want to I
What
just
time?
went to the office.
What time
I
did you
left
arrive?
7 o'clock and I came back 7 p.m. I left 7 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
I came back 7 p.m. this evening.
Okay. Is that like your normal routine weekly?
That's my normal routine, everyday routine.
Do you know
But
how much
sometimes I do come
information?
early, but I left office late, so
Okay.
left office after 6, so that's why I came in late.
Okay. If I heard you clearly, you went to office today 7 a.m. and you
Yeah,
arrived when?
I left my office
You came back
around
when?
7:45.
Okay, you arrived 7:45 from your house. You left 7 a.m. You arrived for 7:45, and you got
Yes,
back home around what time?
let me just say 7:30 or let me just 7:20, but I didn't look at it. It's around 7.
Did you go for lunch in any nearby eatery? Anything?
I did. I even went out to other places.
Okay. Now, do you know how much data you've communicated in these few seconds? Now, it can be used both positively and negatively. All right.
Okay.
Now, there is different category of data, three major category of data: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. All right. And companies, everybody leverage on this data to make informed decision with respect to businesses and all. All right. Now, if you're looking at my slide, I wrote down a few things here. Now, your phone screen time is data. Your monthly expenses is also data. How many times you open TikTok? Yes, that is data too. Now, talking about structured data. Now, you see data like exam score sheet. Um, those are structured data. Monthly payroll, your company, as the case may be. Those are structured data. All right. Unstructured data boils down to WhatsApp chats, TikTok videos, um, files in your gallery. Those are unstructured data. All right. Now, going more deep and advanced, there is semi-structured data. I don't know whether any of you here have any bit of, even if it's small touch of programming knowledge. All right. You should know what is JSON. So, but if you don't know about it, don't worry, you will still get to know about it. Welcome to tech. So now, semi-structured data like JSON files or messy Excel from your friend's shop. Okay. Now, if you go to buy things, now let's say you visit any of the popular um, grocery stores in Port Harcourt, or you go to Market Square every day, or any, I don't know where you're connecting to us. I don't know where you are connecting from. I believe so many persons are connected from different places around the world. Yes, let's say I'm using Port Harcourt as a case study. I'm based in Port Harcourt. All right, let's say you go to any of these stores and you see them scan stuff like barcode on the item you've collected, you're
Yeah.
about buying, and then they generate the price and you make payments and proceed. Now, those transactions are automated and recorded within flip of seconds. All right, those data are kind of bulky. They are semi-structured data because they are more than the normal Excel structured data that you know about. You can easily categorize. All right. So now I want you to do a quick thing. Hello. I told you guys this
Hi.
class will be full of activity. I'll be giving you exercises. Hey, are you ready? I'll be giving you activities, class exercise you're going to do at each point. And then at the end, I would, okay, before we end our class for today, we'll be getting to Power BI. Yes, you get to see Power BI environment and what it looks like. You'll see, I'll show you the visualization dashboard. I have so many of them. Yes, and we use this as a case study. All right, so now, the activity I want you to do. Yes, so I want you to quickly write down 5 things in your life that you can track as data. All right. Now it will surprise you how much data you generate every day. Now somebody can be asking, why do we even care about data? What do we do with data? We've been talking data, how you can get data. What do you do with data? Why should I care about data? Now, the answer is this. I wrote down something here. Okay, let me read it and then I explain. I should ask you this. Do you want to make smarter money moves, run your business better, or even predict what customer wants? That's what data help you do. You can imagine why companies all over the world are sorting for data analytics or data analysts. All right. This is because with the data you have, you can be able to make informed decisions as a company. It helps everything. All right, from the oil and gas sector to the health sector and all. Okay, so data is an intrinsic part in any organization. Are you guys following me? Hope nobody is sleeping here.
Yes,
If
we
you're following me, give a thumbs up.
We are here.
Yes, yes, okay. Good one. Peter, you're raising up your hand. You have a question?
no, I'm not.
Okay, someone else is raising up his or her hand. Iyala, you have a question?
That was the initial time I just answered when you asked what data was.
Okay, okay, you can still bring it down. All right,
Let me do that.
yeah. Okay, let's proceed. So I was just explaining why you should care about data. Okay, so it's even important is it can be used to make a mile. Yes. So imagine someone having the data of your in and out. You can be easily tracked if it's for bad. All right. And if I don't know whether you've ever wondered why you, let's say, watch a video on business development, and the whole of that week you are seeing different adverts. Upscale your business with us, drive traffic with this and that, blah 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 blah. Things about business development, what you should not do as a company owner, what you should not do as a startup. You'll be seeing adverts like that. That is because even your social media handles work with the algorithm that picks your data and bring content that you will like to you. All right. Have you ever wondered opening Spotify and immediately the song you like is the first option for you to play? That's analytics. All right. Now, these platforms study your activity. They study what you search. They study what you watch, and then they bring them to you. Now, this is a great tool for influencers, for marketers. All right. They get this data and then they know their target audience. Hey, are you following me? So that is what I'm talking about. Yeah. So even politicians use
Yes, sir.
data to plan campaigns, to know the cities they should invade, where they should pay more attention to, who accepted them more. The palliative they give to this city, was it received? Was the return in investment, was it good? So businesses, every sector, like I mentioned, need data. And that is why you should be careful about data. You should care about data, even in your business. All right. So I believe everybody is understanding me. If you have any question, I want you to communicate in the comment box. But I know, I know the way I communicate. I know the way I teach. I believe is very simple. Yes, everybody can understand. Yeah. So now, let's talk career. So what is this? Is this skill actually profitable? I would want somebody right there now to open your browser and search salary range for a data analytics, for a data analyst. Salary range for a data analyst. Okay, this is an overview from Gemini. All right, let me check it in USD. Okay, so data analysts, this is even beginner. They earn $70 and $110,000 annually for entry to mid-level positions. And I'm telling you that the entry level we're talking about is what you're going to be emerging as after taking this course. All right, because you'll be able to make a meaning to data after taking this course. So now you can check for, is someone raising their hand? You can check for senior analysts, and data scientists and more. Okay, so there's a progression from this. An advance of data analysis is data science. Okay, where you use data to build high predictive model. You are driving towards machine learning and artificial intelligence. Okay. Now, okay, please raise up your hand. You're raising up your hand. Go ahead, ask a question. What's that?
It's looking so small.
Oh, sorry. Let me zoom it from here. I believe you can still zoom it from your screen. Wow, I have sharp
I can
students in this
see it.
class.
I can see it now.
Someone even gave me the results in the comment box. That's interesting. Good, good, good. Okay, okay. Is my Gemini? Is my Gemini? I,
I
yes,
did,
it's
though.
good.
Check, I did.
Okay, go ahead. That's good. Okay, you did. Wow, beautiful, beautiful.
Yes,
Clap for
did, I
yourself.
did.
Okay, so now back to our course. Okay, let's get to Power BI. Okay, what's Power BI? We are going to install Power BI and we'll look at data sets, and you can start working with Power BI. Okay, so first of all, think of Power BI as Excel's cooler cousin. That's what I call it. Yes, because you get to do more interesting and exhilarating stuff with Power BI than Excel. Yes. So it doesn't mean you cannot do data analysis with Excel, but then it's kind of limited to what you can do with Power BI. Okay, so and is highly recommended and sought for by companies. Okay, so that's why we are selecting it for this course. We are not giving you prompts. Yes, we're giving you full course meal. Okay, so now how do you get Excel? How do you get Power BI to your system? And we are going to be looking at that right now. Or how do Power BI help you in data analytics? Okay, so you can import your data. When I say import your data, that's bringing in your data. Okay, so it can be an Excel file, CSV files. It can be from your Google Sheets. All right, it can be from databases. All right, SQL database. Okay, now if you are asking me what's a CSV file, this is the question. This is the answer. So I'm taking it that most of you don't know anything about tech, all right, joining this class. So I'm going to be explaining everything like to the bit of it so you can flow. Okay, so there is something called file extension and file format, all right? The ability of your device to understand that you're about to open a video file is the file extension for video files, all right? You know about .mp4. Hey, so what I just mentioned is not big, is around you, okay? So your video files are .mp4 files, your Excel files are .xsl or CSV, all right? So those are spreadsheet file format. Yes,
Sir,
just
you're
the way
fast
you're,
too. Sir, you're
oh,
fast, please.
okay, sorry, I'll slow down. Okay, so I go again. So I was explaining file extensions and file formats, okay? So, and what led me to that is when I mentioned that you can import your data sets to Power BI and then start the process. We'll get to the other process, but let's stay here first. Stay with me. Now, I mentioned CSV files as file extension, and I'm explaining what file extension is. All right. So, file extension or file format is your computer or your machine understandable format for each file. Okay. So I know that when you share files like PDF files, you see them, the name .pdf, right? Same thing applies to document file. You see .docx or .doc as the case may be, right? And when
Yes.
your machine or your device, okay, so sorry, I'm a developer, that's why we talk about machines. So now when your device, yes, see these files, they know the right application to open it with. All right. That's why when you click on some files on your PC, you'll see open with, or if you don't have a software application that can open that file format, your store would recommend you go to store to download. Are you following me now? Hey, if you're not still with me, still communicate. Did you understand what I just explained?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Beautiful. I'm fully understanding. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So your spreadsheet files are .csv, all right, or XSL. So, and we are going to go ahead with this. Now, I talked about bringing or importing your data to Power BI. After bringing in your data to Power BI, the next thing you do is cleaning it up. Okay. So we call that data wrangling, and is very intrinsic in data analytics. Reason being that, hey, please follow me because I'm about to communicate a very important stuff. Reason being that now, when you get some of these files, imagine getting a data set from a cookie company, which we are going to be working with right now. Okay, so in this course, now imagine getting a data set from a cookie company, and then you can have some people. Okay, let me go this low. Now, do you know? Have you experienced when you send out forms and you don't make some field required? Some people decide not to select or fill those optional fields. Yes, the person that just said laugh emoji, you can relate very well. Yes, people just decide not to fill that optional field, and that affects your data set. Okay, so now you experience empty row or empty columns in your data set, and that can affect if you want to use that data set for machine learning or AI training an AI model. So that is why you need to do cleanup. All right, you handle those missing values, you handle empty spaces, you handle null values, as the case would be. Now, what I'm communicating is not complex. Hey, you are going to understand this as we proceed. Stay with me, okay?
Please, I cannot see your screen.
You cannot see my screen. Wow.
I think it's your network, honestly.
Okay, please. Someone is confirming they can see my screen. Now, please, sir, I want you to quickly log out and log in again. Yes.
I can see the screen.
Okay. Thank you. So let's go ahead. Now, like I was explaining, after cleanup is analyzing your data. Okay, this is where you get to make meaning out of your data. All right. Yes, this is when you get to make meaning out of your data. Using a cookie code, I think I should open a dashboard so you see what dashboard looks like right away. Yes, I think this is. Did I press installation? Okay, we've not gotten to that. So let me show you. Yes, let me show you this dashboard, and then we go ahead to install. Yes, I'll give you a bit of break to do that. Yo. So this is what Power BI looks like. It's coming up. Okay. So I'm trying to open one of my dashboards.
And we have the conference we're organizing right now, an exclusive event, which we are calling the AI Business Revolution Conference. The AI Business Revolution Conference.
Oh,
Please, can we
I'll be
meet
able to
ourselves,
start
please?
Yes, please. You can mute your mic when you're not permitted to talk, please. If you want to talk, raise up your hand. I would permit you, and you speak up. Okay.
How you can actually replicate traders. We're also going to be looking at how to use software again. We're also going to be looking at content
Francis,
creation.
please mute yourself. Francis,
Please
please mute
mute your
yourself.
mic. Mute your mic. Okay, so why this guy is coming up? Okay, I guess it's because I have so many things running on my system at the same time. Okay, the dashboard is coming up. All right, these are not like design dashboard, like graphic design. Okay, these are interactive dashboard. You're going to see it once it loads. It's very interactive. Okay, so he's working with
Please,
actual
you will help
simulation.
us be refreshing. Help us be
Are
refreshing
you
your page,
seeing?
okay? Because it's not following
I will
your
help to
screen. Your
show what?
display is. Help us to refresh your page so that we can follow up with what you're saying.
Okay. Okay, let
You need to
me change
refresh
my
your screen.
presentation. Yes. Yeah, I get what you're saying. All right. A moment, I'm on it. Yep. Okay, I'm adding the screen sharing. I'm sharing again, so you can see my screen. Okay, good. Yes, so it's coming up. Once you can see my screen, I need you to let me know you can.
Yes, we can.
Yeah, I can.
Yes, we can.
Okay, you can see my screen right now.
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Beautiful.
I
So,
can.
you are seeing the dashboard, right? Now, you're seeing
Yeah.
some data here, right? And
Yes.
let me like make
I
some
cannot see
plots.
anything.
Okay, I guess it's from your network.
It's blurry.
Blurry.
Okay.
Yes,
Clear
yes,
now.
it will get brighter. Just be patient.
You can zoom.
Yeah,
You are
just be
using
patient. It will get brighter. Okay.
I can see.
So that's a dashboard. And now watch me. When I select some key points, the figures and the data in the details in the dashboard changes. Oh, I really have a lot of things running at the same time. So the selection is quite slow. Okay, so you see these figures change, right? It's not reflecting yet.
I can see
Okay,
them.
now,
I can see.
okay, yeah, it's working now. Okay, now, how do you get this in your device and start your process? Is not a very difficult thing to do. Okay, so you're going to see a link in the slide I shared with you. All right, go to powerbi.microsoft.com and you're okay. Let me present so you see it, because there is a route you're supposed to follow. So let me guide you through it. So I'm going to stop this dashboard presentation. Felix Nino. Yes, Felix, go ahead with your question. Is it Mr. or Mrs.? Go ahead with your question. Okay, so now if you're on your browser, let me know. I said go to your browser, whichever browser you're using, Chrome, Edge, as the case may be. follow the link in the slide I shared with you. It will open on a browser, and you're going to see Power BI desktop. Now, if you go ahead and click download here, please confirm if you can see my screen.
Yes,
Can
we
you
can
people see
see
my
it.
screen? Okay,
I
very
can
well.
see it.
Very well. All right. So
No?
if you go ahead and click download, it will take you to store. And let's say you are not using your PC, you're borrowing PC for this class or anything. You don't want to configure your accounts in the store or anything. No problem. Just click on this advanced download option. All right. Now this is going to help you select the version you want to install. Okay. Please follow me, guys. Follow me. So you are going to be seeing Power BI desktop setup.exe. Hey, I just taught you people about file extension. Okay. Now, exe is for Windows application. All right. That's why any application you are installing your Windows is .exe. Okay. Need for Windows users. If you're using Mac for this class, oh, you're going to have a problem. Yes, because Power BI is a Microsoft product, and they're having serious issues with Mac. For you to use it on MacBook, you need to pay for Parallels, and where you can run is like a package that allow you to run Windows application. Yes, Power BI does not directly run on Mac. So, but the popular demand is Windows, and everybody can access Windows, right? So, Mac is for the big boys. Now, okay, so go ahead and click download. Okay. And when you have it in your system, it looks like this. All right. Okay, I guess you people are following me. So go ahead, the way you do your normal installation. All right, just click next, 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 next until you're done. Okay, so
Sorry,
going
TG.
forward, I'm going
TG
to
is
fast
showing
forward.
file name PBI desktop setup, then PBI desktop setup 64. Do we need to check all of them?
Use X64 for 64 bits.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay, so okay, first, Felix, go first. Open your mic, let's done. Felix, are you there? Go ahead with your question. Open your mic. I'm listening.
Good evening, sir.
Oh, someone is lost. Okay, Felix, go ahead first.
Yes, I really did not have a question, but I wasn't seeing the screen, but I can see the screen now.
Okay, bring down your hand. Joseph, what's your question? Joseph Bennett. Open your mic and ask me a question. Okay. Just stay muted. Okay, go ahead. Who is speaking now?
I just wanted to find out. Iyala.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, go ahead, Iyala.
Sorry, how do I download it? I was actually using my phone. I just came up with my laptop. Very
If
sorry.
you're using your phone, you cannot download it to your phone now. You use
Yeah, that's what I'm
you
saying.
don't have you don't have a PC.
I just brought in mine now. It was my daughter. She was using it.
Okay, please, you can use a PC for it. All right. Power BI is somewhat heavy anyway, and there is no mobile application for it yet. Yes, if you actually want to work as a data analyst, you can hire a system, use your loved one's system for the class, and ensure that you follow up. Okay. Same thing applies to every other person here. Yes. Okay. Back Kosi. Sorry, please, if I am not pronouncing it right. But go ahead with your question back, Kosi. Okay, please don't keep us waiting. We have another section. Ugochukwu, go ahead with your question. Open your mic. If I've attended to you, please, you can bring down your hands. All right.
Okay, sorry. Good evening.
Good evening.
The link you shared, I can't really access it. I would like resend the link.
Okay. The link to the Power BI desktop.
Yes, because the one I got on, I'm like downloading on
the slide. Okay, okay. The link for the slide. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, the link for the
The link for this slide. Okay, so no problem. I'm going to drop it in the general group, and I'm going to drop it in this comment section for now. So after the class, you everybody can access the link to the slide in the general group.
Sorry,
okay.
sorry.
Yes, if Power
Okay,
BI is
thank
still
you.
downloading. Yes, if Power BI is still downloading, allow it to download. Yes, I am supposed to have a break at this point to allow you to do the installation, but time is not on our side. So we are going to go ahead. This class is recorded and it will be available on YouTube for replay. Okay. Okay, we are on how to install Power BI. So the instructor is okay. Okay, so yes, that's where we are. All right, so for the person requesting for the link, I dropped it in the comment box. Follow it and you can be on the same page with us. Let's go ahead, please. Yes, yes, yes. So if you have Power BI installed in your system, congratulations. I have shown you what the Power BI interface looks like. In our further class, we'll be looking at the different categories, the options available in Power BI, and you get to know the environment. All right, you'll get acquainted with the environment and you'll be able to use it. All right, so that's good. Let's have a mini challenge. If you have Power BI already installed, I'm going to share a data set with you. And please, I need to talk about this. If you enrolled for this class, okay, if we opened for enrollment and we even gave extra time for enrollment before we closed the form enrollment. So if you enrolled for this class, you'll be getting a mail that would help you join your learning group. Okay, the BOF Data Analysis Group. Okay, is different from the official general group where everybody is. All right. The reason being that if you watch our onboarding video, we say that people that join properly for this course, you'll be assessed. And like I told you earlier, I'll be giving you a lot of assignments and activity. Okay, you'll be assessed and you will be getting your certificate. So, but this class is actually open to all, even people from the general group can join. All right, even if you're not enrolled, yes, you can at least benefit from the knowledge and practice with us. But then you might not be getting the challenges I will be relating
I'm
in
not
the
seeing
private
anything.
group. Okay, be sure it's not your network, please. But hope you can hear me. I believe I'm audible enough. Okay, I was explaining something. Let me just finish.
Please, I have
Then
a
I will
question.
open for you.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see so many hands. All right, let me finish with my explanation. Okay, so like I was saying, I'll be giving activities and class exercises, all right, in the group. and this is going to be for the people that are enrolled for this course. All right, those of you that are not enrolled, don't worry, you still benefit from the knowledge, but do well to enroll for our next cohort. Okay, yes. So let me get your questions starting from Ikem Nonso. Go ahead. Okay, if the person is not available, I'm moving to Iyala. Go ahead with your question.
Sorry, I don't have a question.
Okay, please drop your hand. The next person, Uchebu Victoria, go ahead with your question.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
Please, I'm using my my phone to stream. Well, I have a PC. So how do I download this Power BI on my PC?
Okay, that's an interesting one. Okay, I'm going to drop it. You don't have your you don't have your WhatsApp logged into your system or something, do you? If you have your WhatsApp logged into your system, I'm going to be dropping this link in the group. All right, and you can open it from there. Another option which we might do, but it will be later after this class, is mailing it to every enrolled candidate. Yes.
My WhatsApp is not logged in.
Okay, so if you are enrolled for this course, you are advised to drop your mail in the group. We'll send it to you. Or follow me. It's an easy task. It's an easy task. You can do it.
Okay.
See, it's an easy task. Just go to your browser or your PC and type this on your PC. Just search Power BI download. I don't know. Let me use the screen I'm sharing so you'll be on the same page with me. Search Power BI download. The only a corner or the stuff that is not straightforward was what I illustrated. Let me just search it, normal browser search, Power BI download. Okay, so your browser search gives you this. Please confirm if you can see my screen.
Yes, I can.
Okay, beautiful. Now, the trick I gave was using the advanced download option. Okay, this is the official Power BI platform. So I told you when we started, the Power BI is owned by Microsoft. Okay, so it's not,
I can see your screen.
yes, it's not a hidden company somewhere. So Microsoft is a full-blown one of the top ranking tech companies around the world. So click. Okay, so click the download Power BI. Go from the official platform, please. The second one. All right, you're seeing the official platform. So go ahead with this. Yes, and then boom. This is the exact page where we downloaded from, right? You're seeing where I downloaded from, yeah. So you're seeing the desktop setup x64. Go ahead, click download it to download. So I believe I've attended to your questions. Oh, I'm still seeing hands. But then if you have more questions, please relate them in the group. Okay, please, we will not be able to answer all right now. All right. Yes, we have another class and I will be attending to your questions in the group. Okay. Yes, you're welcome. So let's wrap up for tonight because I'm supposed to give room for the next class to go ahead. So I want you to do this simple task. Okay, so I want you to do something. Just import your data sets to Power BI and screenshot it, drop it in the group, post it on your social media handle, tweet it on X. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple right now. Okay, so when you have Power BI finally installed, you will see your screen like this. let me share what you'll be seeing. This is what we'll be ending for today. Yes, I'm sharing again.
Sorry, sir. The group is locked now. I don't know if there's
The group is locked. How do we?
I'll open it for this activity, okay? And then I made mention of you sharing whatever I'm going to be showing you now on your social media handles, okay? Because you are going to be sharing it with the hashtags I will be giving you, okay? That is how we can access you. All right. So please make sure I repeat, make sure you follow all the social media activities we are going to be relating. Okay, so this course is given out for free, and in return, we expect that you encourage the pioneer and promote the program as much as you can. Yes. So you're going to be sharing to the hashtags I'll be giving you. So when you open Power BI desktop, this is what it looks like. Okay, you go ahead and click blank reports. All right. And when you've done that, you're seeing import data from Excel.
Your screen
Really
is
simple.
not showing.
Oh, really?
So your screen is not
Let me
showing
visit
what
it.
you're saying.
Okay, please, is your network, and I'm recording this class. Like I said, you can watch it. So this task, you're required to do it before the next class. Okay, you are required to do it before the next class, so you have a bit of time, right? So let me go ahead, please. Now, import from Excel. It means you can import from a spreadsheet. This is what I want you to do only. Okay, so import any data set of your choice. All right, what you are learning or what you are achieving today is how to import data sets from Excel, Excel spreadsheets to Power BI. Okay, so I'm going to copy the spreadsheets we can use. Okay, let me just copy this part so I don't get to search for it. And my system to follow me. Yeah, good. Okay, so you saw when I clicked import on a cell, the my file explorer opened. Now I just copy the part I want to go to directly, and I'm pasting it here. Hit enter. Okay, this is an Excel sheet. All right, that's why I'm seeing Excel file format. Open. Boom, I have it loading. So just you might need to do data transformation. Okay, just hold on with your question. Ask me your questions in the group. I thought about data cleaning and data transformation. Okay, so but it must not be the number one thing. I just need you to be able to import. Okay, so when you click on that import, it's going to open the window for data transform. You are seeing an option transform data here. First of all, your data set will load by the side here. You select the tables you want to import. Okay, let me just select this customer table and customer 2. Okay, let me just select this table. You are seeing the e preview. Click on load data. Finish. Okay, so it's importing the data set. Now, when you've imported this, it shows by the side here. I'm going to explain this dashboard in the next class, this environment, okay? Will get you acquainted with this environment, what every part of it, the major part you'll be needing, okay? So once you have it imported, you see this data option here. When you click on this drop down, it will show the data set you've imported, just like these other dashboards, okay? You're seeing this beautiful dashboard, right? And is highly interactive. So you're seeing the data here. All right, so I need you to just screenshot this, whatever you've imported. You might not have something here. Here can be empty. Okay, but go ahead and screenshot this end. This is where I want to see. I want to see the data you imported. Okay, and post it on your Twitter. Tweet it with these hashtags I'm dropping right now. They are in the document, yes. So if you should scroll down the end of my slide, you're going to see it. Hashtag BOF Data Hero, hashtag BOF Free Class. Okay, so post it with this hashtag and hashtag Prof. Bourdillon. Okay, I believe you have learned a lot. So we are going to call it a wrap. You can send in your appreciation in the group. Make sure you make your posts. Yes, I remain my humble self, TG. Good night.